guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new Amazon Prime wig video. Now this wig does come from UNice, and I will leave all the information and details in the info section below, as well as a discount code. So if you guys want to save a little extra cash, use discount code UNiceWig to be able to save a little bit. Now here is the wig that I have. I know you guys notice the color, and you guys know I usually don't do color, but I don't know, I just felt like doing a copper red wig, you know, pretty much because of all the Little Mermaid hoopla that's been going on. So I was just like, why not? So I picked up this copper red wig. Now my wig is 24 inches long, 180% density, and it does have that 13x4-inch transparent lace. Now this wig does not require any bleaching, so I just moved straight forward to shampooing and conditioning. I'm going to finish doing that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So this wig is already pre-plucked, as well as it does have baby hair. So if you are a beginner, you can go ahead and bypass this step here. However, if you're looking to learn a little more, you guys can definitely watch through this. I will be customizing just the front perimeter of the hairline to look a little more realistic for my own personal liking. If you guys want to see a more detailed video on this method, I will link one in the cards above, so be sure to check that video out. So pretty much I've allowed this wig to sit and air dry over the next couple of days, so it's ready to go. So we're gonna move forward to styling. Now I'm going in with my wax stick just to make sure that all the flyaways are nicely tamed, followed by my hot comb. This is just going to make sure that everything is lying nice and flat and looking realistic. Everything that I'm using throughout this video I did buy on Amazon, so you guys be sure to check the info section below. I'll have everything I'm using throughout this video listed there. So I'm going to now move forward to crimping this hair. Now I like to use a strong holding spray before I crimp as well as after. This is just going to assure that the hair is going to stay formed in its style. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing that, and I'll see you guys with the next step. Okay, so before I get the wig on, I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace. You guys see it's a little too light for me. So I'm using my Fenty foundation in the shade 420. This is about one shade darker than my skin tone. I tend to reach for my darker shades just because once I apply my adhesive, it's just going to lighten up just a bit. So overall, just to get a nice and blendable match, I go for one shade darker. So I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. Y'all let me know what you guys think about this color on me. Y'all know I do not do colors. However, I don't know, I was feeling real risky today, so I decided to go for this copper red. I'm going to go ahead and remove my lace, and I like to kind of do like that motion-y cut with my scissors. Then I'm going to go ahead and pull out some baby hairs just to make it look a little more stylish. Y'all, I don't know. You guys are going to have to let me know what you guys think about this one, because I don't know.
Talking every day, I kinda knew it. You know just what to say. Won't overdo it. It's when you're looking that way. You know that I gotta say, you know that I think I met you in another life.
So I have this black hair concealer that I'm just going to apply like around the root area just to kind of give it like that grown out color look. And this is a nice little trick for those of you guys who may not be that dedicated to color like I'm not. This is just going to add some contrast and make it a little easier on the eye. But once again, y'all gonna have to let me know what you guys think about this color on me, because I do not know. I am a person who doesn't do well with color, or at least just on me, I don't know. But you guys get into this hair. Once again, this does come from UNice on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the information and details in the info section below. This hair is super soft. It holds a curl nicely. It's just the color for me. Like, I was feeling a little risky. I kept seeing the Little Mermaid, and you know, I was just like, okay, why not just get some color? But yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think. I will also have a discount code below in case you guys want to save a little extra cash. Use discount code UNiceWig to be able to save. Y'all, once again, I don't know how I feel. You guys gonna let me know. I'm thinking about maybe making this like a darker brown color just so that it's wearable for me. Check out UNice. I'll have all the details below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.
You know